Have you ever walked past a garden on a warm evening and been captivated by an incredibly sweet, enchanting scent? Chances are you've encountered the magical aroma of jasmine. This beautiful flowering plant, with its delicate, star-shaped blossoms, is more than just a pretty face. It's a plant steeped in history, culture, and a whole lot of amazing uses. So today, let's take a deep dive into the world of jasmine. Jasmine is native to the tropical and subtropical regions of Asia and Australia, with countries like India, China, and those in the Middle East being major cultivators for centuries. When you picture jasmine, you'd probably think of small, white, star-like flowers, and you'd be right. Most species have these, but did you know some can be yellow, pink, or even red? They typically grow on shrubs or as climbing vines, with glossy green leaves that provide the perfect backdrop for the stunning blooms. But let's be honest, the real star of the show is its fragrance. Jasmine is world famous for its strong, sweet, and intoxicating scent. It's so iconic that it's a cornerstone in the perfume industry. What's really fascinating is that, for some species, like the night-blooming jasmine, the fragrance becomes most potent after dusk. This is nature's clever way of attracting nighttime pollinators like moths. This powerful scent is captured in essential oils, which are among the most expensive and sought after in the world. The uses for jasmine are incredibly diverse. In aromatherapy, its scent is known to help reduce stress and anxiety, creating a sense of calm and well-being. Who here enjoys a good cup of tea? Jasmine tea is beloved globally for its soothing properties and delicate floral taste. It's made by infusing green or black tea leaves with the fragrance of jasmine blossoms. Beyond that, the flowers themselves are used as beautiful decorations and garlands at weddings and during festivals. In many traditional medicine systems, jasmine has been used for its antiseptic properties. Jasmine also holds deep cultural significance around the world. It's the national flower of Pakistan and symbolizes purity, love, and beauty in many cultures. In parts of Asia, it plays a vital role in religious and spiritual ceremonies, often offered to deities as a sign of respect and devotion. Now, while jasmine is wonderful, there are a few things to keep in mind. Like with any tea containing caffeine, drinking too much jasmine tea, especially late at night, might lead to restlessness or affect your sleep. Also, some people can have allergic reactions to the flowers or the essential oil, so it is always a good idea to do a patch test if you're retrying a new skincare product. And it's important to remember that jasmine essential oil is for external use only. It should never be ingested. Thinking of growing your own? It's easier than you might think. Jasmine loves warm, sunny spots and well-drained soil. Whether you have a big garden or a small balcony, you can grow it in the ground or in a pot. With regular watering and a little bit of care, you can train it to climb up a trellis and enjoy its heavenly scent right at home. To wrap up with some fun facts, there are over 200 different species of jasmine. And as we mentioned, the fact that some bloom only at night is a super cool adaptation. The high cost of its essential oil comes from the sheer number of flowers needed to produce just a tiny amount. It takes millions of fresh blossoms, usually handpicked at dawn, to create a single pound of oil. So, from ancient traditions to modern perfumes, jasmine truly is a plant that touches so many parts of our lives. Next time you catch that sweet scent, you'll know just how special it is. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed learning about jasmine, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you next time.